as for the dash, it's in really good shape. There's no cracks or anything like that. It's just dirty and faded. The door panels are in great shape too. The only problem is they have this crack that somebody put tape on. Both of them have the exact same thing. So I can't decide if I'm gonna order new or just try to fix these. I may give these a shot and see how they come out. Fiberglass it in a little bit on the back, and once I pull the tape off, see what I got to work with. Because like I said, besides that, they're in perfect condition. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this handle out. It's kind of a dark tan now. I think I'm gonna go black with it. Because like I said, I'm gonna have black seats, black carpet. This is gonna remain black. And of course the window knob and the door handle and pull strap is black. So I think it might add a little bit to it. And you've got, of course, the air conditioner vents are black on here too. Fixing to order some new sun visors too. These are shot. All right, let me get started. All right, guys, it's been about 30 minutes, maybe 40. Taking off everything I can without removing the main panel, which is everything else. I don't have a tool to fit these bolts, so I think I'm going to do the unthinkable and paint it right here in place. Started cleaning it down with a little Windex, and I'm going to take some mineral spirits now and wipe it all down and then do a little scuffing on it and spray it. I don't think it's going to give me any issue because I'm painting almost the same color. I think right up in here is about the only spot that'll be kind of tough to get to, but it's a dead end, so it's really not going to matter. Taping is going to be a bitch. Okay, running way behind. This is a new day. This is Sunday the 3rd of September. And yep, getting ready to tape up the dash now. Got a new roll of 3M tape. Let's see how much I can get done in the next hour. Okay guys, the taping is done. I know it doesn't look like much, but that's there's a lot of panels that go on, so a lot of stuff that you would think, why didn't he tape there? There's going to be a panel there, and I won't be painting there anyhow. Big scary part is there was a lot of armor on this, but I went over it 3 different times and scuffed everything with the wax and degreaser. So hopefully it'll work. We're fixing to find out. Just like with the console, I'm going to do the plastic adhesion promoter first. And that way I can see if I missed any place taping too, because this is clear, so it won't be a big deal. Alright, I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I got 2 coats of adhesion spray on. And it seems like the taping's going to be okay. Found a couple of places like around the glove box over there, but that wasn't a big deal. Give it about 10 more minutes and I'm going to shoot a coat of paint on it. We'll see what happens. Or I should say vinyl spray. Alright guys, coat 1 is on. It's looking really good. Must have got most of the grease off because I don't see any big fish eyes or anything in it. Let me go around the other side. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's still patchy just like the console was. I'm going to put 3 coats on it. I think that'll do it well. We will find out very soon, I guess. Alright guys, 3rd coat is complete. It's still tacky. I think I got it. I'm bound to have missed something. Did spray a little on the windshield up there, but that'll be alright. The windshield's got to come out anyhow. In about 20 minutes, I'm gonna come out and untape it. We'll see how many mistakes I made. I'm sure there's quite a few. All right, third coat is complete. You can see my old door panels, they're a little bit darker than this, but I like this color better. A little bit of paint there. Once this dries better, I'll wipe that off, but I just didn't want to mess with it. This is still, it's dry to the touch, but they come out really good. I think I got all the spots. Yeah, I got things that go here and here. And I think everything's covered. Got a little overspray right there, but actually this is going to be replaced when I do my windshield. And I had a big old piece of overspray right up there. But again, I'll try cleaning it up a little bit tomorrow when it dries. But I don't really care because windshield's coming out anyhow. And then everything looks good down here. You gotta remember the glove compartment goes here. There's a piece of trim panel here. That's why I didn't paint much paint here. And of course, trim panel here. Then all this is that black panel that's going right here. So I think I got all the spots. Everything that I can see looks really good. So tomorrow what I'm going to do is come in here, sand down and de-wax and degrease all this stuff and get it put back in. I may go down and see. Well, I think everything's closed tomorrow, but I want to go ahead and get the new speakers for in here while I'm in here. And but yeah, so far I'm very impressed with it, but time will tell. We'll see if it starts peeling and flaking off. I don't know. I did everything I could to keep it from doing it, and to me it come out really good. I was looking at a fiberglass kit, which is just like a little small touch-up hole repair kit. They were like $30 for that. So I'm thinking I may just order brand new door panels. I think they're about 60 bucks. The only issue with that is they'll be the darker brown like this, and I'll have to paint them too. But that's still no big deal, especially before I put them on the car and make life easy. All right, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Again, long time for me, seconds for you. All right, guys, it's the next day. I cleaned up 3 more parts and just put the 3rd coat of paint on it. It turned out good. I actually forgot all about videotaping. It's just a repeat of what I did yesterday. Alright, I'm gonna let these dry up. I think I got 3 more pieces left and the dash will be complete. As soon as I can move these, I'll get out here and get the rest of it clean. Okay guys, this is the last 4 pieces I have. They're all clean and ready to paint. It's just too hard for me to show you the painting. So I'm just gonna get a coat on them and get back with you. Well guys, I forgot to show it to you. I got it inside. Looks like it rained again today. Seems like every time I paint it's gonna rain. All turned out real good. Still got to peel the tape. I think I'll wait till tomorrow to do that. It's dry though. Alright, I guess I'll get out here tomorrow and start putting the dash back together. We'll see what it looks like complete. Except for the grab handle. I'll get back to y'all on that. Alright, here's the grab handle. It's actually in real good shape now that I'm looking at it. It is just nasty. Let me try to clean it here real quick just to see if it'll clean up at all. My fear is the paint won't stick to it real good. I was trying to find a new one in black. I don't know. Let me look into it. It's not perfect, but it cleaned up pretty well. I just took an SOS pad to it and wiped it down with some degreaser. Now I'm spraying it with the plastic adhesion promoter. I only fear with this being a grab handle that it's going to peel off. I'm not sure. We'll see how it works. If not, I can buy. I can't really find another used one. And I'm going to see if I can, I can buy like a custom one. It's made out of like stainless steel or something. It looks good. They run about $100 though. So I figure I've got nothing to lose. I'll run some paint on this and we'll see what happens. Oh, this black looks good, man. Not sure how well it's going to hold up, but I've got one more coat to put on here. Yeah, it's looking real good. Alright, let's put the last coat on, then we'll let it dry till tomorrow and we'll put this Jeep back together. Yep, you guessed it. It's another day. September the 5th. Thinks it's Tuesday. We're about to start putting the Jeep back together. We got all the panels out and things painted. Thing looks good this morning, so I'm gonna start putting it back together and we'll see what it looks like when I get it back. Hey guys, I love the way this grab handle came out. It feels like it's on there good. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but as of right now, I'm very pleased with it. One problem I have, I lost the nut off this end. I shouldn't say I lost it. I know exactly where it's at, but it fell in one of those places you can't reach with a magnet. You can't reach it with anything. So let me look around here and see if I've got any kind of nut I can put on there. Sometimes it's great to have the wonderful box of nuts and bolts. First one I picked out fit perfect. This is the old one. This is the new one. I had to add a washer, but besides that, perfect. Alright, let's go put this on. The dash is back together. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't let my wife talk me into painting this brown. Also painted this black here on the glove box. I think it goes good with the Jeep. I need to take these out and clean them up some. They're kind of faded looking. May look into just buying new ones. This is coming out probably next. I want to go ahead and get my seats put together. So that's going to be the next thing we're going to work on, is getting the seats in. I still haven't ordered the carpet. I don't know why that's a block for me, but I found the carpet I want, and you can actually have the seats in when you put it in. Still don't think I'm going to go with the rear seat. I think I'm going to build a place for my dog and a couple of drawers maybe. We'll see. Did get a couple things in from eBay. Let's see if they fit. Like a glove. These were used, so I am going to go clean them up a little bit. But besides that, that's perfect. The other thing I got in was a plug kit. I think I was missing a couple of the plugs. Now I should be okay. I'm going to put those in before I put the carpet in. I think I'm going to leave this out until I get the seats in. I don't want to destroy these while I'm fighting with the seats. Alright, come back on the next episode and we'll be putting the seats in. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. as of right now, I could not be more pleased. I think that vinyl paint may be the way to go. It feels like it's bonded to it really good. Of course, in 3 weeks it may be falling off. I don't know. If so, I'll let you know. But yeah, come back to the next episode. We're going to be putting the best top seats in here and figuring out what we're going to do with the back. Already kind of got a plan in mind, but we'll see. I'll get back with you.